What's up, everybody? This is Pyro, Ronnie, and we back again. I got an unboxing of a case of candles. In fact, we have two unboxings of two cases of candles, and they're both Red Apple products. Let's get this show on the road so I don't keep you guys up too long. This is Pyro Ronnie, the last action Pyro, and we doing it again. Here we go. We gonna unbox this here Gumball Cannon 280 shot Barrage candle. Yes, sir. Inside of this case comes 10 Barrage candles, 5 packs, 2 to a pack. Yes, sir. Each candle shoots 280 shots. Case is 2,800 shots. There's your QR scan. If you want to scan that so you can see what it does. Bam. All right, let's get this show on the road. All right, guys, we're about to unbox this here. Truly unbox it. Yes, sir. Boom. Yeah, look at that. Nice stag. Come on. Let's get it popping. Excuse me, guys. Not COVID, so don't worry about it. Little allergies. Ooh, like that snap, crackle, pop. Wow, look at those, guys. Pretty fat candles, and just like I said, they come 2 to a pack. Let's get these out of here. You see. Boom. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. The Gumball cannon. 280 shot. You get 2 candles. I believe they're different. So, this candle is multicolored dandelions. Right? Up to 25 seconds of duration, mid-low effects. There goes some pictures. And the second one is multicolor dandelions. What do you know? The same exact candle. Nice. All right. A little bit of firework pouring for you guys so you can see. Yeah, look at that. Want to open one up? We can open it up. Yeah, why not? Get a candle out of there. All right, let's see. We got some more down there. Yep. Fun never ends. There it is, the Gumball cannon, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's move on to the second case of candles. These are our Red Apple products. You can see that there, Red Apple. All right, let's put these back. You can see Gumball cannon. That's how the back of the box looks. There's your color, your effects. Right there. Made in the USA. Just so you guys know. Or not made, yeah, made for the USA. I should take that back. We know these were made in China. Alright, there you go. The Gumball cannon, guys. Alright, let's push that to the side. Next up, I think we got Cobra candles. Boom! These are new. Both of these are new for Red Apple, so we get to unbox them for you guys first here. First, before anybody, we get to show you what they look like. These are the Roman candles. You get 12 in a pack, and there's 12 packs in a case. Check it out. These are loud candles. Here we got bangs, tails, and crackles. And these go mid to high. There's a picture of the performance. Let's open them up. Yes, sir. Let's get these open. Pyro Ronnie is the king. Yes, sir. And a dope human being. Man, you guys are crazy. If you listen to me sing, if you haven't changed your channel by now. All right, you guys gotta be nuts. This is pyro fun, though. Listen to that crack of that box. Listen. Yes, sir. Oh, check it out. Woo! Nice. Cobra candles, guys. Some firework pouring real quick. Fresh pack of candles. Look at that. These are the Cobra candle, Roman candle pack. Look at that. They come 12 in the case. 12 to a pack. So they look like this. You take out one pack. Oh my God, there's another pack. There you go. Awesome. Can't wait to launch these off. They got a performance down here at the bottom. Colors and effects. Colors, bangs. Colors, bangs. Colors, comets, tails. So they're multi-effects, guys. Yep, comets crackle, comets tails, and we got bangs comets. Uh-oh, tails. There we go. 3 different. Nice. See the back of it here? Yeah, the back of it has some nice graphics. Right there. Yes, sir. All right, yeah. And of course, there's 12 more of these inside the case. We're definitely going to demo these off. As you can see. Stay tuned for the demo. All right, there you go. Some more of Pyro Ronnie's stash for 2022. Knocked out of the box. Knock him out the box, Rick. Knock him out, Rick. Knock him out the box, Rick. Here we go, cuz. Yes, sir. Pyro Ronnie's done it again. Somebody better put the fire out and tell a friend. I'm out. So like and subscribe. Peace.